minus 3 of x squared minus 6x plus 1 over x. Next, let's have to subtract. Let's have to subtract the first step. Y equals to limits x proposed to 0. 3, the quantity of x squared, 2x plus 2x. And the square x plus rectangle x squared minus x 6x minus 6x plus 1 minus 3x squared minus 6x plus 1 over x. And the next is we should combine this number 2. We have to subtract and combine. Next, y equals limits x proposed to 0. Combine them. 3x squared plus 6x rectangle x plus 3. The quantity of rectangle x squared minus 6x minus 6x rectangle x plus 1 minus 3x squared plus 6x minus 1. So next, we divide it in the result in step 2. Divide. Y equals limit of x proposed to 0, 6x squared rectangle x plus 3 quantity of rectangle x squared minus 6 and rectangle x over rectangle x. So next is the answer is y equals limits proposed copy x proposed 0, 6x plus 3 rectangle x minus 6. So we should divide this number step 2. Y equals limit x to propose 0. Let's copy it. And the answer is 6x plus 3 times 0 minus 6. We should times this 0. So 3 times 0 equals 0. Then the answer is 6x minus 6. Let's take the result in step 3 as rectangle x proposed to 0. Our y equals to x and minus 6 is the answer. That's all our example. And now we having a activity. I have here the ball and I will playing a music. When the music starts, you will pass it to your seatmate. And when the music stops, the one who hold the ball, I will going to be asked a question. So, understood? Okay, let's start. Number 1. The music will play. Go. Okay. Rukina, what is derivatives? Very good. Derivatives is a change certain function. Next, go. Pass the ball.
You gave me a chance, I would take it.
Yes. Daniel. Now, my question number 2 is, what is the formula in finding derivative of function? Very good. Correct. You recite it correctly. Next.
A chance, I would take it. You gave me a chance, I would take it.
Yes, Bulatag. My question to you is, what is the first step in finding derivative of a function in solving the derivatives? Very good. Excellent. So, next.
Take it.
Next. Yes, Camacho. My question to you is, what is the second step in finding the derivatives? Very good. Next. Pass the ball.
You gave me a chance.
Okay. My question to you, Amaro, is what is the third step in finding derivative? Very good. Next. Pass the ball.
You gave me a chance.
Okay, next. Lobiano, my question to you is, what is the fourth step in finding the derivative? Very good. You already know it. Next. Pass the ball.
You gave me a chance. I will take it.
Okay. Pando, what is the fifth step in finding derivative of function? Very good. Okay, class, congratulations. You already understand how to find derivative function. For your application, I will be going to group into 5. So, let's count into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. So, go to your group now. Okay. Now, group 1, you will be going answer y equals 1, 15x. Group 2, you will be going to answer y equals 4x minus 12. Group 3, you will going to answer the y equals 3x squared minus 2x plus 5. Number 4, you will be going to answer y equals x squared plus 5x. Group 5, you will be going to answer number 5, y equals 100. And then, in 10 minutes, you will be going to answer, and I will collect your papers, and I will be the one to check it. Okay, are you done? Pass your paper. Time's up. Okay, class, get 1/2 sheet of paper for the assessment. Find the derivatives of the following. Okay, I will give you 15 minutes to answer our assessment. Number 1, you should answer y equals 2x plus 5. Number 2, y equals 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. Number 3, y equals 5x squared plus 5x. Number 4, y equals x squared minus 2x plus 2. Number 5, y equals negative 3. So, now, you should solve it correctly with the formula. Because I will be the one to check it. You're done. And now, for our assignment, you will be answer this in one whole sheet of paper. Now, you should copy on your notebook. Our assignment is, find the derivatives of the following. First, y equals the quantity of 2x plus 1 times 3x plus 2. And second, y equals 3 minus 5x. And letter B, you should read about the rules in finding the derivatives. Tomorrow, I will collecting it. Okay, class, do you have any questions? Okay, none. And now, do we met our objectives? Okay, let's read our objectives. Define derivatives. Did we define our derivatives? Correct. Okay. Number 2, apply the definition of derivatives of a function. Do we apply the definition of derivatives? Okay, correct. We applied the formula and we solved it, and we have more examples and we have activities. Next is enumerate the steps in finding a derivative of a function. Do we enumerate? Yes, correct. Next, show interest on the lesson through active participants in class. Do you participate in the activities and the lessons we have to learn? Okay, correct. And now, class, stand up and dismiss. Goodbye, class.